Hey, thank you for taking a little time to know more about your business. My name is Chris Reala. I wanted to quickly share this video with you. I'm a member of the Local Business Heroes. We are a community organization right here in New York that helps businesses stop losing customers to their competitors and attract more new customers from the internet. Now, I was doing research this morning for Locksmith in Sunnyside and wanted to share my experience with you because I think that there's an opportunity for you that might make some sense. If it does, we should have a quick phone call, and if not, no big deal. My goal is to at least share some value with you guys. So when I did that research and the screen loaded, I was looking at the three local businesses recommended by Google right here. So here's the under the map. So here's the map and here are the businesses. And as you can see, your business doesn't show up at all and your business is not the obvious first choice that most prospects will call. And in this case, the business who received the most number of reviews is the Triple Locksmith. They received 7 to 8 reviews, and the one that received the highest reviews from their star ratings from their clients is the Key Me, which they received 5-star reviews. Now, most people making a buying decision will base their choice on who to contact based on who has the best rating and the most number of reviews. Now, these three businesses right here is probably getting the most number of new customers online, and your new customers could be. And yeah, now the thing about these results is that none of these businesses really stand out from the others, especially when you look at the star ratings. When it comes on the reviews, there's only one player that is dominant, and that's actually great news for you guys because it means that a little bit of effort can really go a long way. We could help you create a whole bunch of additional 5-star reviews for your business. And what that's gonna do is it will help you make you become, the highest rated local business and make sure that you get the new customers instead of your competitors. Now, if you want to check the status of your business reputation rank, you may click on this link down here, the more places, and it will open a new page for you. Just go and search for your business here to see your um, r- rank business rank for your reputation. And but anyway, we can run a report for you, a comprehensive report, and that's gonna be at no charge. Now, all right, I know that you guys have been doing a good job and you have tons of happy, satisfied customers. Yeah, but the problem is the happiest customers don't usually leave reviews. And unfortunately, there are customers who are leaving bad reviews too. And with regard on the bad reviews, we can help you, prevent that from happening. And when it comes to your happiest customers, what I hear over and over from our clients, the reason why they're not leaving any reviews is because they forget it, they don't have time for it, or they just don't know how to do it. Now, the fact of the matter is, I have some real world examples that can show you where we helped a client get 16 5-star review in 24 hours. I can show you how we helped clients go from 0-star ratings to 3.5, 4.9, 5-star ratings. I have countless examples of that. And the best part is all of this can occur in a very short period of time. It doesn't have to take forever to fix this problem. It's really kind of a plug it in, let's get going, let's get you a bunch of new reviews and new customers because that is what's gonna happen. As you guys keep getting better reviews, you will see that many more people will start calling you because of this page right here. And think about that over the course of the next 12 months. If you get that many more clients, or on the other side, if you lost clients because of something that's so simple to fix, why wouldn't you just address that? All I'm asking right now is to go ahead, take a moment to schedule a quick call with one of our senior managing partners. Just click on the link below to schedule. Let's just hop on a quick 15-minute phone call, and we'll share exactly how this system works and how easy it is. This isn't a problem you need to ignore. I get it. Clients that come to us, they are usually overworked and super frustrated, and if they have no reviews, or they have bad reviews, and they're tempted to say, hey, that's just the way it is, but it doesn't have to be that way. We're going to fix that for you. Let's just start by having a quick call to talk about it. Thanks for the opportunity and for watching the video. I look forward to speaking with you soon. Make it a great day. Goodbye.